भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो माया संख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। पेज नंबर 105, कारिका नंबर 26, टीका। So now Sankhya, Yoga, Pashupata, their Nirakaranam is being done. First Sankhya, Pradhanam, Moola Prakriti. Sankhya has 25 tattvas, Panchavimshaka. So what are these 25? They are given here. Pradhanam, Moola Prakriti. Then Mahat, Ahankara and Tanmatra. So Pradhanam 1, then Mahat, Ahankara and 5 Tanmatras. So 1 plus 7, Sapta Prakriti Vikritaya. 7 are Prakriti as well as Vikriti. Prakriti means Karanam here. Vikriti means Karyam. So Prakriti Vikriti means they are Karana also and Karya also. Prakriti Vikritaya. Then Pancha Jnanendriyani, Pancha Karmendriyani, Pancha Vishayaha, Manashayakam, iti Shodasha Vikaraha, 16. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15 plus 1, 16 plus 7 plus 1, how many? 24. This is Prakriti and Purusha is Purushastu Drishi Svabhavaha. So total 25. Iti Panchavimshati Sankhyaakaha. 25 in number. Means Pancha, so whenever Ka is there at the end, it will be Bahuvrihi Samasa in Samastapada. So Panchavimshati hi Sankhyaha Sankhya Yasya Saha Panchavimshati Sankhyaakaha. the one which has 25 in number. So in this, 1 is Mula Prakriti, 7 are Prakriti Vikriti, and 16 are only Vikriti. This is what in Vivek Chudamani said, Prakriti Vikriti Bhinnaha Shuddha Bodha Svabhavaha. Atma is Prakriti Vikriti Bhinna. So neither Karya nor Karana. Purushastu Trishi Svabhava iti Panchavimshati Sankhyaakaha Prapancho Vastu iti Sankhyaha. They say this, everything is this 25. Now this is up to you, you define 25. You could have just said 1. Why you want to include cause separately, effect separately, and add them up? They could have just said 2, Prakriti and Purusha. Instead of that, Prakriti they met 25 and Purusha is 1. 24 Prakriti and 1 Purusha. So we don't count every karyam. Tacha kalpana matram. This is only kalpana. Panchavimshati visheshanasya avyavartakatve vaiyarthyat. Vyavartakatve cha vyavartya pramitya pramityoho anupapattehe ityaha. The 25 number which identifies them, that Visheshana, is actually not a Vyavartaka Visheshana. Vyavartaka means to separate yourself from others is called Vyavartanam, elimination. So if these 25 are not unique, which defines you, then avyavartakatve vaiyarthyat, then they are vyartha only. It's like saying, I am a special person. Why? Because I have 2 eyes. So everybody has 2 eyes. So that cannot be your lakshana. Avyavartakatve vaiyarthyat. Vyavartakatve cha, if it is a vyavartaka vastu, then vyavartya pramiti apramityoho anupapattehe. Then whether there is pramiti, means prama, or apramiti, no prama, this question will not arise. If it is vyavartaka, it is vyavartaka only when there is knowledge of it. 1 number tippani you see. Tattvanam panchavimshatitva visheshanam, 25 elements. This visheshanam nyunadhika sankhya vyavartanaya. So if some group says there are 24 or some group says there are 26, you say no, we are the 25 people. Means we are the people who talk of 25, we are different. So if it is less or more, न्यूनाधिक संख्या च यदि प्रमिता तदा न सा व्यावृत्ति भाग. If yadi pramita, if there is prama of that, of lower or higher, then that number is not for Vyavartanam. Means it will not identify Sankhya separately from others. Nahi praman siddham vastu apalapaitum paryam. Why? Because if it is pramana siddha, because prama is there, then you can't negate it. Means if there is a thing, let's say you define in this way, 25 numbered philosophy is a right philosophy. Somebody else says, no, we have 24, and somebody else says we have 26. You can't say they are wrong. Why? Well, just as you have come out with 25, they have come out with 24. They have prama of 24. Somebody else has prama of 26. So everything is pramana siddha. You can't do nisheda of that. It's apalapa is not possible. Yadi tu apramita, and if there is no prama, tada vinapi visheshanam vyavritta iti. Then without, if there is no prama, you don't need any visheshana. It is negated on its own because it will be badhita. So if you have a philosophy which says if it is this number then it is correct, any other number of any other philosophy, they will say so many tattvas, you will not be able to say they are wrong. And if you do not have prama of anything, then no prama is anywhere wrong. So you don't have to worry about negation. But the same applies to you also. Vinapi visheshanam vyavritta iti visheshana vaiyarthyam ityartha. So what is said is, you have grouped the Vishayas in such a way to come out with a number 25. Somebody else may not agree. For example, see, they have given one mind, Manaschayakam. Buddhi is not there separately. Ahankara is there, Mahatattva and Ahankara. So Mana is there, Ahankara is there. Buddhi is not there. Somewhere else they will include Buddhi also. Number will change. And they have given 5 tanmatras. But there is no panchikarana, panchikrita mahabhutas are not there. Only apanchikrita is there. See, so different people can think of different things. Now they don't have panchikaranam, imagine. Vedantin will say, why, without panchikaranam, how will I have sthula vishayas, sthula sharira? So deha is not included. Vishayas are there, but they are sukshma. So this is the bheda, you know. No such system will be perfect system. That's why it is said tacha kalpana matram. This is all kalpana only. Panchavimshaka ityeke षड्विंश इति चापरे एकत्रिंशक इत्याहु रनंत इति चापरे And this is what this Karika says. Some people say it is 25 Panchavimshaka Tattvani. Some people say no, Shadvimsha, 26. Iticha apare, some other people. Some other से एकत्रिंशक 31 पाशुपतास. If you ask modern scientists, he will say 108 elements are there in chemistry table. They will define that way. Everybody has their own freedom. Ananta iti chapare. Some people say no, ananta, infinite. टीका पातंजलाः. नेक्स्ट इज दिस योग दर्शन. पतंजलेः इमे पातंजलाः. Those who belong to Patanjali Maharshi's philosophy, thinking, they add one more, Ishwaram. Punaha Ishwaram adhikam pashyantah. षड्विंशति पदार्था इति कल्पयन्ति. तदयुक्तम. So 26, that is also not right. Why? You have Ishwar separate, Purusha separate. Ishwarasya Purushantarbhavat अधिकत्व अनुपपत्तेः. Why you want to say Purusha Vishesha is separate? It is also Chaitanya only. Purusha means Chaitanya. Because Prakriti and all Vikaras are Jada. Purusha is Chaitanya. Ishvara is also Chaitanya. Why you want to add separate? Anantar bhave cha ghatavat anishwaratva prasangat. And if there is no antarbhava, if it is not in Purusha, then it will be matter, jada, like ghata, ghatavat anishwaratva prasangat. Shadvimshaiti. Next is, so that we saw. Now next is Pashupata, 31. Pashupatastu Raga, Avidya, Niyati, Kala, Kala, Maya. Raga, Avidya, Niyati, Kala, Kala and Maya. 6 they add. Adhikaha. Te eva ekatrimshat padartha. Now 6 where you have to add? Obviously you want 31 by adding 6. So you should add to 25, not to 26. Because only if you add 6 to 25 you get 31. So to Sankhya they add 6. Now what is the error committed by them? Iti bruvate tanna. That is not right. Kleshatve api. If you say 5 kleshas are there, either you include all 5 or you say 1. So they say avidya and raga. Raga avidyayoho avantar vedavat. Then asmita, that they have not included. Asmita, dvesha, abhinivesha, they are not there. Asmita dehe api tad bhinnatvena, then 31 will become 34. Sankhyatireka tasya raga upalakshitatve. And if you say no, raga is upalakshana, then you don't need avidya separately. Tasyapi avidya upalakshitatve, or raga is also included in avidya. So number will not be same. Either it will become 30 or it will become 34, something. न्यूनता पातात अविद्या माययोश्च एकत्वात्. and they have avidya separate, maya separate. Vedantin will say they are one only. Ekatvat avantar bhedecha, and if you say avantar, no, internal division is there. In internal division you can have so many in everything. Niyatavapi tadupapattehi. In niyati, niyati means daivam. You see third number tippani. नियतिर दैवम तत्रापि शुभाशुभत्वाभ्याम अवांतर भेद सत्वेन सांख्यातिरेका पत्तेः इति यावत्. दैवम मीन्स फॉर्च्यून और प्रारब्ध, what you call. It can be good also, it can be bad also. So that is also avantar bheda is there, shubha and ashubha. So then number will be different. So these things don't decide the fundamentals. So sankhyatireka tadavastyam. The number growing is still the same. Because if you add avantar bheda like maya, vidya, shubha niyati, ashubha niyati, numbers will go higher. And kala also has kala. Kala sucha tat prasiddhehe. Kala means kala has avayavas, masa, so 12 months. Now if you add 12 numbers will go. So this is all lot of systematic anatma classification. Ananta, some people say infinite. अनंत पदार्थ भेदो न नियतो अस्ति इति केचित्. Is not defined infinite, some people say, which is also wrong. Tadapi na. Vadinam vivada darshanat. Among vadis there is vivada, and they will never come to any conclusion. That's why most of these things, where they have people from different darshanas or different ideologies, they come together, they don't do anything. They just go and attend conference from conference. This is true. They go in one place, have few days conference, they discuss some things, and they say whatever they want to say, and they go to next place. Again they have conference, they say whatever they want to say. Nobody is there to implement. Everybody just hears different views. And those who want to do, they don't go to conferences, they just do it. Whatever you want to accomplish, you just accomplish it. No point in going to conferences. तदपि न अनंतः पदार्थ भेदो न नियतो अस्ति इति केचित्. तदपि न वादिनां विवादस्य च अज्ञान मूलकत्वात् इत्याह. एंड ऑल विवाद हैज अज्ञानम एज इट्स मूलम. अज्ञान इति. 5 नंबर टिप्पणी सेज तथा च अज्ञान विषयस्य भ्रांति विषयत्वेन तात्विकत्वं न संभवति इति. अज्ञान विषयस्य भ्रांति विषयत्वेन. अज्ञान विषय is भ्रांति विषय and therefore it is not तात्विक. न च एवं ब्रह्मणि अपि वाद विवाद दर्शनात् तस्यापि अतात्विकत्वं स्यात् इति वाच्यम्. In Brahma also, if there is vada vivada there, therefore Brahma is also atatvika, somebody will say. Siddhanti says, no, you should not say that. Why? Because it is Shruti Yukti Siddha. You may do vivada, but you need to come to Pramana. But in that also there will be vivada. They will agree, they will not agree. You don't worry. You do your sadhana. You realize the self, that's all. Now, lokaun lokavidaha. Tika. Lokanuranjanam eva tattvam. Iti laukikaha. Laukika people, no. You have to give joy to people. Entertainment industry. Lokanuranjanam is the tattva. Tadapi vibraha matram. No need of elaborating. It is foolishness. Lokasya bhinna ruchitvad tad anuranjanasya ishwarenapi kartum ashakyatvad. Loka, people have bhinna bhinna ruchi. To entertain them, even means to give delight to them, even Ishvara cannot do it. Ishwarenapi kartum ashakyatvad. Lokan lokavidah prahu. Rashrama iti tadvidah. Stri punna punsakam lingaha. Para paramatha pare. So, lokan, lokavidaha, those who are the knowers of loka, means world and people, they say loka is the highest. But here loka is anuranjanam, manoranjanam, entertainment. The knowers of ashramas, they always talk about ashrama vyavastha. White or yellow, yellow or orange, ashrama. Ashrama, varna also you can take. People have such emphasis. Then some people, strilinga, pullinga, napunsakalinga, vayyakaranaha. Everything they want feminine, masculine, neuter, etc. I mean, that is not param. What we have to understand is that cannot be the highest. That's all. Then some people say, no, there are two realities, higher and lower, para, apara. Para, param, atha apare vadanti. Some people say, no, the two levels of reality are there, all mithya. टीका दक्ष प्रभृतयस्तु आश्रमः परमार्थः इति समर्थयन्ते. दक्ष प्रजापति, starting from them, they all are believers of this ashrama vyavastha. Tad asat. Now you see what is said here. वेशस्य आश्रम शब्दार्थत्वे, the vesha, whatever clothes that you are wearing, that is not the meaning of the word ashrama. If you start taking that way, शूद्रादेहे अपि prasangat, means according to them, Shudra is not in ashrama. Shudra cannot have ashrama vyavastha. Means if a Shudra person wears orange, then also he is also a sannyasi. So that what is said here is, according to system, traditional system, that is not allowed. If you just say Vesha is ashrama, so anybody wearing orange, they don't entertain. And this Varna Vyavastha is also Vichitra. Shudra is in Varna, and Ashrama is different. So person from Varna will belong to one of the ashramas, like that. But they say that is available only to 3 Varnas, not 4th. I am just telling you what is said here. I don't know what is right and what is wrong, but this is not absolute reality. That is what they want to say. They also say that, let us say there is a person. So if he does Vedic chanting, if he learns how to do puja, rituals, he doesn't become Brahmana. So by karma, here one is Vesha, second is karma. If you are doing something, that will not make you Brahmana, Kshatriya, etc. Like if I take jhadu and clean my room, so what will I become? Or if I clean my toilet, then I don't change my varna depending upon my karma. Karma remains, karma you do. So if I, let us say, do some administration, so I don't become Kshatriya. What is my original varna, it will remain. Here in Tippani they have given 7 number. There are corrections in that. Tatta jatimat pum reto. Pums nahi, pum reto. Tatta jatimat pum reto bhavatvasya jati vivechana. And then sadhanatve is one word, jati vivechana sadhanatve. If a person, this is what I understood from this tippani, okay? Sadhanatve tat pumsas tat jatiyatve tat purva pum apeksha iti evam anavasthaya sadrusho anashvasa eva jatau ityarthaha. Jati, jatimat pum retao bhavatvasya. How do you define jati? So first you take, don't take human beings, take dogs for example. They have breed. So what kind of breed is this? So they will have bulldog, they'll have chalupa, they'll have Alsatian, they'll have Doberman. Some varieties are there, let us say. How do you define it is this dog? Because the seed of the male was of that kind. That is how this dog came into being. So then, for current one, you need a previous one. For that, you need a previous one. For that, you need previous. Like that, anavastha will be there. So, but the emphasis what they are trying to say is you need that seed. Like, now you take mangoes. What kind of mango is this? You say this is Alfonso. Means the seed of this was Alfonso. So the origin, what jati it is? They say it is Alfonso jati, Afus. Pankanpalli is there, Dasheri is there, Kesar is there. So many varieties are there. So you need that seed. That will define the jati. Now this jati has to exist earlier. Then based on that, and then in between, I think what happens is there is mutation in genes. So some of it is natural, some of it is induced, caused. Some of it happens because of change in desha, kala. So some people are short, people living in some part of the world. Some people are tall. Some people have long nose, some people have short nose, you know, the color of the skin, etc., etc. So this seed is also there, mutation is also there. This is what they call jati. Jatesya durvivechatvat. This jati will be difficult to define, difficult to explain. Tanmulasya ashramasya darshayitum ashakyatvat. So then, what is the mula of it, origin, from which ashrama it started, you will not be able to define. Darshayitum ashakyatvat. Sanskarasya cha deha samavayitve. Samskaras are deha samavayi. If you say that, Paralaukikatva ayogat. Paralaukikatva will not be there. Asangecha atmani tad asamvayat ityaha. In the asanga atma, there is no samvaya sambandha. So the samskaras cannot remain. If they are there with samskara, if they are there with samvaya sambandha in deha, after this body, paralaukika means after this body they will not be available. You say, no, not deha, atma. Atma cannot have samvaya sambandha with anything because it is asanga. So deha samvayitve, paralaukikatva is not there. Atma samvayitva is not possible. That's why Vedanta says antakarana you have to have. Samskara is there, not sthula sharira, not atma. samskaras can define jati. But this is one vyavastha, arrangement. Jati and all, too much complicated discussion. Ashrama iti. Vaiyakaranaha. Now Vaiyakaranas tu stri pun napumsakam shabdajatam tattvam iti varnayanti. They say all words, they are into three groups. Tadapi ayuktam, not right. Striyadehe shabda swabhavatve sarvadinam trilingatva yogat. Striyadehe means bhava pradhano nirdeshoyam. Sarva Shabda is there in all three linga. Sarvadinam trilingatva is there. Pulling also, striling also, napunsaklinga. And they go, their declensions are different, you know, right? You know or not? So, Sarva Shabda, etc., they have all three lingas. So, now if you say it is Swabhava of Shabda, Stri or Purusha or Napunsakatva, it is not Swabhava of Shabda. You have defined it differently. Otherwise, one Shabda will belong to only one linga. It doesn't have, it is not built in the Shabda itself. It is free. Sarvadinam trilingatva yogat. Ekasya aneka swabhavatva sambhavat. Ek vastu cannot have aneka swabhava. So if you say Sarva Shabda, if it belongs to one Pullinga, then it cannot be Strilinga also and Napunsakalinga also, like that. Aupadhika dharmatvecha. If it is Upadhi dharma, then it is avastu. Tasya avastutva prasangat. Then it is not reality. If it is Aupadhika, it is illusion only. It is mithya. So, these Vaiyakaranas are refuted. Now further. Para param. Dve brahmani veditavye param cha parancha iti kechit. Some people say there are two Brahma, higher and lower. And you will find mantras also supporting this. Param chet jnatavyam, aparam chet praptavyam, like that. Iti kechit. Tachana, no, that is not right. You cannot have two Brahman, Para Brahma and Apara Brahma. You can say one is Satyam, another is Mithya, then it is true. Means Brahma cannot be Saguna also and Nirguna also. This is the main thing. Both cannot be there. Parichede kvachidapi brahmatva yogat vastuto aparichinnasya tadbhavat ityaha. Parichede, when the paricheda is there, means conditioning is there, then it is not Brahma. If it is conditioned, it is not infinite. If it is infinite, it cannot be conditioned. If it is Brahma, it cannot be Parichinna. If it is Parichinna, it cannot be Brahma. So 5 number टिप्पणी से तस्य मीन्स सर्वादेः, सर्व शब्द दे गिव एग्जाम्पल. 6 number said अपरिच्छिन्नस्य वस्तु परिच्छेद रहितस्य इत्यर्थः. अपरिच्छिन्न मीन्स वस्तु परिच्छेद रहित. Because when there are two Brahma, what is the paricheda? Vastu paricheda is there. Anyonya bhava is there. Further now. Srishtirva layova sthitirva tattvam pauranika. Followers of Puranas, they say, no, Srishti Sthiti Laya iti pauranika. Tadapi kalpana matram. This is also only kalpana, your imagination. Means this is not tattvam. Srishti Sthiti Laya is there, but it is not reality. Sato asatascha utpatyadi abhavasya vakshamanatvad matvaha. Satah asatah cha utpatyadi abhavasya. Sat, so from sat utpatti is not possible. From asat utpatti is not possible. Satah asatascha utpatyadi abhavasya. Vakshamanatvad. 7 number says where it will be said in Advaita Prakarana 27-28 Karika and Alanta Shanti Prakarana 22nd Karika. So all this will be said. Utpatti is not possible from Sat, Utpatti is not possible from Asat. Bole, yes, that is true. Utpatti is not possible. But what should I do about my life now? Whatever is prarabdha, you just go through it. That's all. Utpatyadi bhavasya vakshamanatvad iti matva. Aha. Srishtiriti srishtivido. Laya ichita tadvidaha. Sthitiriti sthitividaha. Sarve chehatu sarvada. The knowers of Srishti, they say creation is ultimate. Those who, means if you go on thinking about creation, you think that is ultimate. If you go on thinking about dissolution, you will think that is ultimate. If you go on thinking about sustenance, you think that is ultimate. I have noticed this. Let us say you feel some person is good. What happens is, in every thinking, some work is to be given. You think that person. Some work is to be that person. Because your mind is thinking about that person, that's all. So sometimes you can't think out of the box. So these people go on thinking about creation, creation, creation. They think creation is ultimate. Then shock of their life comes when either that person is not available, that philosophy, that ideology is shaken or questioned. Or something happens to that person, now you have to look for next. This is what happens. Srishti, Sthiti, Laya, same idea. You know those people who are in some industry, they will say this is the thing, this is the next generation, next technology, the whole universe is going to depend upon this only. This is all they are thinking. Then either company doesn't start, or it starts and then there is competition, or new technology comes, this old technology is wiped out, something happens. Everywhere it is this. And that is what he will say, yam bhavam darshayati yasya tam bhavam satu pashyati. Okay, let us see. So yathokta kalpananam adhishthanam suchayati sarva. Some people say Srishti Sthiti Laya, like that. Now he concludes, Sarve Chehatu Sarvada means all the time people go on talking about so many things, saying this is the final. This is their Kalpana Adhishthanam. Now Tikakar says, we have said few, but we have not said lot of them. Udahritascha anudahritascha kalpana bhedaha yavanto vidyante. As long as these divisions exist, whatever we have said, said and unsaid, te sarve api prakritatmani eva kalpanavasthayam kalpyante. Kalpanavastha means avidyavastha. At the time of avidya, they all exist. Where? In Atma. But Atma is not Kalpita. They all are Kalpita. See, if everything is Kalpita, why can't Atma also be Kalpita? It says Sarvasya Kalpitatvena Adhishthanatva Ayogat. Then what is the Adhishthanam? If there is no Adhishthanam, it will become Shunyam. Somebody says, let it be there, what is the problem? Then I am existing, it will not be Shunyam. So that will be the problem. Now, this Bhashya which is given on all these from 20 to 28, there is explanation given here in Anandagiriji. Pranadi shlokeshu prana shabdartham aha. In these prana adi shlokas, from prana iti pranavidah. See Bhashya. Pranaha prajnyo bijatma tat karya bheda hi itare sthityantaha. Prana is prajna, bijatma, hiranyagarbha. And all the other are karya bhedas. They are all karya. Up to what? Sthityantaha, up to sthiti. Srishti, laya, sthiti. Itare. Itare hi tat karya bhedaha. They all are effects of Hiranyagarbha. Whatever is listed here means none of that can be cause. All of them are effects only. Tasyaiva बीजात्मनो विकार विशेषत्वात् इतरेषां न ततो अत्यंत भिन्नता इत्याह. तस्यैव बीजात्मनो विकार विशेषत्वात्. That is बीजात्मा, Hiranyagarbha, and all of them others are vikara vishesha, unique effects, and therefore they cannot be different from prana. They all are prana only. Itaresham na tato atyanta bhinnata. They are not atyanta bhinna. Only avastha bheda is there. Because karana comes first, karya comes later, and some karma has happened, some mutation is there. But really they are not different. तत्कार्य वेद। अंतिम पादार्थम स्फुटयति अन्य इति। अन्ये च सर्वे लौकिकाः सर्व प्राणी परिकल्पिताः भेदाः रज्ज्वामिव सर्पादयः। And all the other Laukika Vedas Sarva Prani Parikalpita. They are imagined by all the beings, Vedaha. Whatever else also that you can define, they all are Sarpasthaniya, Sarpadisthaniya in Rajju. In Tika, Kuladharmo, Gramadharmo, Deshadharmascha, Ityate Sarva Shabdena Grihyante. Some people give so much importance to Kuladharma, some to Gramadharma, some to Deshadharma, etc. All are included here. They are all some ideas, that's all. तेषाम आत्मनि तद अज्ञानाद एवं कल्पितत्वम सदृष्टान्तम स्पष्टयति. They all are kalpita in Atma because of ajnanam. Example is like Sarpa is kalpita in Rajju. Atmana adhishthanattva yogyatartham kalpana shunyatamaha. And Atma is adhishthana. For it to become adhishthana, it cannot be kalpana. It has to be kalpana shunyam. So bhashya tachunye atmani atmaswarupa nishchaya हेतोः अविद्यया कल्पिता इति पिंडीकृतो अर्थः. So Pindikrita means collective meaning is given here. That in Tat Shunya means Kalpana Shunya. Kalpana Shunya Atma. Atma Swarupa when Nishchaya is not done. Atma Swarupa Anishchaya Hetoho. That is when Avidya is there. So if my Swarupa Nirdharanam is not done, error will be committed. Avidya kalpita. This is the Pindikrito Artha Pranadi Shlokanam. From 20 to 28, this Pranadi Shloka, this is the general meaning. Tika. Kim iti samudayartha. This is the collective meaning. Kim. Samudayartha shlokanam uchyate. Shlokantareshu iva pratyekam padartha vyakhyanam eteshu kin na syat. Somebody says, why you did not write commentary on each of these ideas elaborately? Hey Bhagavan Bhashyakara, why did you not write these? Iti ashankyaha. प्रत्येकम पदार्थ व्याख्याने फल्गु प्रयोजनत्वात् यत्नो न कृतः. In doing exposition of all these pratyeka padartha, a phalgu prayojana, they have little purpose, means no purpose. Therefore, no effort is put in this. Yatno na kritaha. So, in this way, all errors are listed. Now, what is the solution? We will see further in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।